Hi, I'm Munzer. Today, I'm going to be showing you step-by-step how to create a public profile page for your business. Some information you will need: your business email, business phone number, an EIN number, a company logo, a short description of your business license number and expiration date, your business's trade category, and your service area. The first step is to go to TopProz.com. Once you've gone to TopProz.com, click Be a Pro in the navigation bar. And the next step is to enter your business email ID and your business mobile number. Also note, you will have to receive a verification code for each of these, so make sure you have access to the email and mobile number. Once you've entered your email and mobile number, go ahead and review the terms and conditions for lead gen and mobile alerts and agree. Then press the register button. You will then receive an SMS verification code sent to the mobile number that you entered. So I'll enter the code for the mobile number, and then you'll receive a verification code for the email. You can see I've received an email here with the verification code for my TopProz account. I'm just going to copy the verification code, paste it here, and continue. Now set a password. And the next step is to fill out some basic information about your business. Next, you want to confirm that this information is in fact your business information and press the next button. You will then be greeted by this screen indicating that your new Pro account was successfully created. Go ahead and click the Proceed button, and then go ahead and upload your company logo. Then press Next, and if your business name and address match a listing on Yelp, it'll pull your rating here. Because I'm giving example information here, no Yelp rating was found. The same applies for Google. These are your business hours. They can be edited by clicking on the From time and selecting the opening time, and on the To time, you can select which time you close. Go ahead and set your business hours and press Next. It's then going to ask you, when did you start your business? I will say 2023, click Next. How many employees do you have? I will say less than 10. How many service fans do you have? I will say 3. And now it's going to ask you your trade category. I'm going to say plumbing. I'm going to say California. I'm going to put a random license number here, but you would put your actual license number here and the expiration date, and then press Next. It's going to ask you some quick questions. Are you insured? Are you bonded? Do you offer warranty on your work? Do you offer free estimates? Do you accept credit cards? Then press Next. This is where you would provide a short description about your business. You can then upload some work images here. The next step will ask you for your service area. Each of these regions represents one county. So you can click on another county if you would like to select another county. And you can check the boxes for which services and which categories you would like to offer in each county. You can also add another trade category here. If you'd like to add, let's say, air conditioning, you can add another license number. Select the expiration date and say submit. I can now say in Ventura I will only do plumbing, but in Santa Barbara I will do air conditioning and plumbing. Go ahead and click Next. And congratulations, your public profile has been created. So click Continue to Dashboard. This is your TopProz dashboard. Let me show you how you can view your public profile. Click Account, and then click Public Profile. And this is your new public profile. You can see your short description is presented here. Your business images are presented here. Your service area is now shown on the right. And if your Google or Yelp rating was found, they would be displayed here. Let me show you how to update your public profile. First, navigate to Account and then click on Private Profile. Here, you will find all information that corresponds to your public profile. To update your service area, click on the Service Area tab. You will now see all information relating to your service area. If you click on the county name, you can uncheck any zip codes you would not like to service. Press Save to save your changes. Navigate to the Social Media Links tab. Here you will find your Yelp and Google listing information. To update the business address, click on the Edit button and update the business address to match the address that is on your Yelp or Google listing. Then press Save. You can also update the images on your public profile by clicking on Profile Picture. You will see here all images that are currently uploaded to your profile. You press Edit, you can upload or remove more images. Press Save when you are done. And that is how to create and update your public profile. Thank you for watching.